Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first ever vlog. I hope it turns out to be a good one. Wish me luck. आज मैं आया हूँ for the Kalsubai Peak trek. Kalsubai, as most of you would already know, is the highest peak of Maharashtra. I have never been to Kalsubai before. I've done a few treks earlier, but I've never been to Kalsubai. So this will be the first time I will be trekking here. I have reached the base village now. The base village for this trek is Bari. Bari is the name of the village. Right behind me what you see is the village, and right now what you see behind me is the first look of Kalsubai Peak. So it is around 10 a.m. right now and it is super sunny. The peak is covered with clouds, but down here it is super sunny. यहाँ पे अभी हम लोग नींबू शरबत पीने के लिए रुके हैं. We still have to climb a lot. बहुत टाइम बाकी है अभी. But he looks very tired. So this is our much needed नींबू पानी break. After Nimbu Pani, we'll continue trekking uphill. So the best part about climbing uphill is the weather gets better and better. It is getting colder now, and it was sunny when we started, but it is not sunny anymore, it is cold. After about 2 hours of trekking uphill, we have reached the place where the stairs start. So this trek is also well known because of the 4 stretches where it has stairs to go uphill. Without these stairs, it would have been very difficult to trek upwards. But the villagers here have put these stairs which make the climb super easy. There are total 4 stairs like these, and it has started raining now. The weather went from being extremely sunny to raining heavily in no time. I have now reached the base of the second ladder. यहाँ से कुछ लोग नीचे उतर रहे थे, उनको मैंने पूछा कि अभी ऊपर पहुँचने के लिए कितना टाइम है, and they were like, I still have to climb up for approximately 1.5 to 2 hours. So बहुत लंबा ट्रैक है ये guys, but I am determined to go all the way to the top. is around 4:15 right now, and we have stopped here for a Maggie break. After having Maggie and chai, we'll start descending again. यहाँ पर मैंने पूछा नीचे जाने के लिए कितना वक्त लगेगा. It will take around 2 hours more. So हम लोग अराउंड 5:45-6 बजे तक नीचे पहुँच जाने चाहिए. सो वन वेरी गुड थिंग अबाउट दिस ट्रैक इज़ यहाँ पे खाने के लिए हर जगह ऑप्शंस है. मतलब देर आर दीज स्मॉल स्टॉल्स एवरीवेयर राइट ऑल द वे टू द टॉप टू ईट. लाइक आपको मैगी मिल जाएगा, चाय मिल जाएगी, कुछ लाइट स्नैक मिल जाएगा, भजिया. तो खाने के लिए काफ़ी ऑप्शंस है. यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट कैरिंग ईटेबल्स विथ यू. और हर एक स्टॉल पे आपको पानी की बॉटल भी मिल जाएगी. तो यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट कैरिंग a lot of water right from the base village. So guys, the sun is out now and the sky is clear blue. The visibility is also good. Fog चले गया है और the views are amazing guys. Overall so far I have been really amazed by this trek. सो गाइस फाइनली अब हम लोग बेस विलेज पहुंच गए हैं. इट वॉज अ सुपर टायरिंग ट्रैक. इट टुक ऑलमोस्ट 3 hours फॉर अस टू रीच डाउन बिकॉज हम लोगों ने बहुत ब्रेक लिए. मैं पहली बार व्लॉग कर रहा था तो उस वजह से हम लोग बहुत रुक के आए. बट द व्यूज़ वर अमेजिंग एंड वी एन्जॉयड एवरी बिट ऑफ इट. बहुत मज़ा आया.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel as it will motivate me to create more such videos.